Do not obstruct fire hose cabinets. Save lives. Did you know that obstructing a fire hose cabinet can put lives at risk? Let's talk about why keeping these cabinets accessible is essential for fire safety compliance in the UAE. Imagine a fire breakout and the equipment designed to fit it is inaccessible. Every second counts and the obstruction could delay life-saving efforts. The UAE Fire and Life Safety Code strictly mandates that fire hose cabinets must remain unobstructed at all times. Clear access zones, proper signage, and visibility are not just good practices. They are legal requirements that can make the difference between control and disaster. Facility managers and building owners. It's your responsibility to ensure these cabinets are accessible. Regular inspections and training are your frontline defenses against emergencies. Stay compliant with UAE civil defense standards. Keeping fire hose cabinets clear is not just about avoiding fines. It's about saving lives and protecting property.